Hey everyone, New Year is just around the corner, so today we will take a look at my favorite tools, my 5 favorite tools from 2020. Welcome back, and let's take a look at these 5 tools that I like the most in the year 2020. Now, well, these are not the tools that I like the most in this year, but these are the top 5 tools, my personal top 5 tools that I picked up this year, and I used it not the most, but when I did use it, they were really helpful. So let's take a look, and these are in no particular order. So, first one, I have to go with the Stocky light over here. Now this Stocky light that has a battery inside that is just perfect to use. It's so quick and easy, and combined with the never loose, this is just a match made in PDR heaven. The battery lasts about 8 to 10 hours on 2 stripes how I use it, so it's perfect light for me and it saved me a lot of time. Lexo Hell Kit is the second one on my list. Not any order, like I said, but I picked this up at MTE 2020 and it comes with few metal tabs inside and of course the Lexo kit. You also have some rings here, the plastic ones, the rubber, so it doesn't twist on your slide hammer when you put it on. How I use it is I just put it on a plastic tab, just a little bit, and I have it ready on my cart all the time like this, so it's a quick time saver for those shallow hail dents. So the third one is an accessory, and it's right over here. This is wedge light from Edgy tools. Now this is super strong and super bright. It has the battery inside, so you only charge it, you never change the battery. Basically, it's gonna tell you, like right now that is red, it's gonna tell you when it's empty, you charge it, it's gonna fill up perfectly, and it's gonna last you for a while, because it's not like you're using it just every day to find stuff, which you could, there's nothing wrong with this, but you're gonna use it when you are opening the door skins, and you turn it and you see every little hole, everything what's inside, you can perfectly see it. It's really strong and stiff, it's not gonna break on you. Well, it's supposed not to, it never did on me, so wedge light, that's not my number 3 choice. Number 4 is this Dent Espinol tool from A1. It might look like nothing special, but it actually is. I mean, the way it's angled and shaved here in the doors, it can get to almost any spot you want. It will fit all the tiny holes and it's like super sharp. You can get super precise with the pushes, and it has a rotating handle. So this is a lifesaver on those doors, on the top part on the doors when there's double skin and you just can't find the tool to fit in. This one will most likely fit there. So number 5, the last but not least, is this Metalmatic Commando hail rod. Now I've been using this for only 3 weeks now, and I still need to make a review video about it that's gonna be coming out later, but I just love it. I mean, the length is perfect, the stiffness is perfect, there is no flex, the weight is great for me. This foam here and the rubber ball, they're great. I mean, for normal cars, when you're pushing hail on normal cars, not some SUVs or bigger trucks, this is perfect. So these were all 5 tools that I liked the most and I picked them up in this year, 2020. I do use a lot of other stuff, and I do like a lot of stuff as well, but I had them before. So that's why I picked those 5 tools. There are many great tools out there. Before you buy the tools, make your research to know what you're getting, because yeah, these tools are not cheap, but they are worth the money if you spend it right. If you pick the right tools, the tools that will fit you for what you're looking for, then the money is worth it. Trust me, it will save you time and make you more money. Think of it not as spending money for tools, think of it as investing money in tools. If you enjoyed this, like it, subscribe down below, click the bell notification so you'll get notified next time I release a new video. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you on the next one.